Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're doing a short demonstration of the Autel MD808 Pro kit. We're in a Land Rover Discovery which has the airbag light illuminated on the dashboard. So we're using the Autel MD808 Pro, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to click on to scan to select our vehicle and then hopefully diagnose the airbag fault and then erase the airbag fault. So click into Europe, click into Land Rover, and sometimes it might take 30 seconds or so for the tool to connect to the vehicle. So go to Discovery, and it's a 2010 model. It's a V6 3-litre engine. It's a diesel engine, that is. Not that it makes any difference in this particular case because we're not accessing the engine module, we're just accessing the airbag module. So this is where it can take 30 seconds or so just to connect to the vehicle, so we'll just let that do its thing. But in the meantime, I mean, it's a great tool for any DIY owner of multiple vehicles, any small workshops, garages, mobile mechanics, or anyone who just has to look after a fleet of vehicles. So we're going to click into Diagnosis here, click on Control Unit. You can click Auto Scan, and that just does an automatic scan through all of the systems in the vehicle, but we know which system we need to diagnose, so we're just going to go straight there. That'll save us a lot of time. So it's this one here, number 10, RCM Restraints Control Module. That is the airbag system, so we'll click on that. It should give us an option, here we go, to read codes. And it's giving us two intermittent fault codes, so B0028 and B1212. So right side airbag deployment control. So this is the right side, it's a right-hand drive vehicle. And we've got driver safety belt buckle pre-tensioner deployment control. Well, we did find a fault with the connection underneath the driver's seat, which is obviously what's causing this airbag light to illuminate. So we've put everything back together, we've tightened everything back up, and what we need to do now simply is just click on to erase codes. And when I click yes here, just keep an eye on the airbag warning light. It should turn off. There we go, airbag light is gone, and we have a message on screen: erase codes command sent. Perform read codes read codes function to verify, sorry. So we can go back into that and hopefully it'll give us, there we go, system pass, no fault detected. So it's a fantastic kit, as I mentioned earlier. It's great for anyone who has multiple vehicles to look after, or even if you just have one vehicle to look after and you maybe want to buy a tool which is future proof, really. So it's going to cover all of your future vehicles, any friends or family vehicles, or indeed if you're in the trade and you've got a garage, a workshop, you're a mobile mechanic, and yours obviously want to be prepared to make sure you've got the right diagnostic tool for the right vehicle at any given time. This is a great option. So as I say, it's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, and if you have any questions, please send us a message via the website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped.